Hello, everyone. My name is Felix, and I just turned 33 today. Um, I feel old, not gonna lie. Um, and the purpose of this video is I am going to be filming my life for the next year, pretty much every day. Um, my entire life, I pretty much have always lived my life as full as I can. As you probably, if you've watched any other YouTube channels of mine or know of me, I like to live my life to the fullest. But one of the things that I've been kind of neglecting is getting better at filming and getting comfortable in front of a camera. So um, this year, as I'm getting older, I really want to put a huge effort into getting better at this. So yeah, please join me for the next 365 days till my next birthday. I will be filming my life every day and trying to do something fun and exciting and adventurous every single day. I want to live life to my fullest. We don't have a lot of time on this earth, and I think it's very important for us to do the things that matter to us, even if it might be slightly inconvenient or might take time. But, you know, we get one chance at this life, so let's live to the fullest. And yeah, let's do this. Join me, and let's see where it goes. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention in my intro, fix this camera here. One thing I forgot to mention in my intro is that I'm actually on a motorcycle trip through Latin America. Currently in Ecuador, and I'm in some city, don't remember the name, posting in the video right now. And so, yeah, kind of a weird place to start this kind of series of me posting every day. But yeah, we've been on a trip for about 2 months now, and currently in Ecuador. Let's see what the day brings us. All right, see you soon. Yeah, eating at a restaurant right now. Waiting for our order. Got our food here. Look at that. Pretty basic, but we're friggin' hungry right now. Just can't wait. Quick update here. It's really cold. So we're gonna change into our rain gear, and it's slightly raining. So, rain gear here. There's police right there too, speed checking people. But check out the views here. Let's go Montana. Just nothing. Nothing but clouds and fields and cows. So we were just driving and I saw this sign. Check this out. First church of the entire country. That's it right there. Looks quite old. I don't know when it was built, but I'll probably search that up on Google and put it right now. Pretty cool. With my wife. I'm not gonna go up and show it, but they're cooking guinea pig over there. Just I'll let you search that up on Google. We had it. It was actually pretty decent. Saw guinea pig. What a crazy day today. We made it to our Airbnb and it's quite nice. So now I'm gonna sleep and relax. Or relax and sleep. You get the idea. See ya.